In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Wix website to HTML. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key limitation. Wix does not offer a built-in feature that lets you export your full website as a clean HTML file package. That's because Wix is a closed cloud-based platform, which means your website is designed to run on Wix's own servers and infrastructure. So, if you are looking for a one-click export option, Wix unfortunately does not provide that. What you can do instead is use an alternative method to capture a static version of your published site. This won't create a perfect, fully editable HTML recreation of your Wix project, but it can give you a downloadable web page file along with supporting assets such as images, scripts, and CSS files. For many users, this is the closest practical option. To get started, open your web browser. Google Chrome is a good choice for this process because it handles web page saving reliably and is easy to use. Once your browser is open, go to your Wix editor and load the website you want to work with. After your site is open in the editor, look to the top right corner and click Publish. This makes sure the latest version of your website is live and available to save. If you skip this, you may end up downloading an outdated version of the site, so it's a good idea to publish first, even if you've only made small changes. Once the site is published, click View Site. This opens the live version of your website, which is the version visitors actually see. Make sure the page fully loads before moving on. Giving it a few extra seconds can help ensure that images, styling, and other visible elements are properly displayed. Now, right-click on an empty area of the page from the menu that appears. Select Save As. When prompted for the file type, choose Web Page. Complete. This option is important because it saves not only the main HTML file, but also a companion folder that contains local media, scripts, and CS styling sheets used by the page. After the download finishes, you will have a static snapshot of your Wix site saved on your computer. Keep in mind that some advanced Wix features, animations, apps, or dynamic content may not work the same way outside the Wix platform. If needed, this saved version can serve as a reference for manually recreating your site in HTML more accurately. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.